Good day, everyone. Today, I will discuss superposition theorem. So now, let's start. What is superposition theorem? Superposition theorem. The superposition theorem is circuit analysis theorem used to solve the network where two or more sources are present and connected. To calculate the individual contribution of each source in a circuit, the other source must be replaced or removed without affecting the final result. This is done by replacing the voltage source with a short circuit. Where removing a voltage source, its value is set to 0. When removing a current source, its value is set to infinite. This is done by replacing the current source with an open circuit. So that the superposition theorem is very important in circuit analysis because it converts a complex circuits into a Norton or Thevenin equivalent circuits. So, let us understand how to use the superposition theorem to analyze circuits with the help of an example. So now, let's understand the working of the superposition theorem by example. Find the current IL passes through the 8 ohms. Resistor in the given network using the superposition theorem. So, this voltage is 28 voltage. So, this resistance is 6 ohms. And this one is 8 ohms. This one is 10 ohms. And this current is 28 ampere. So, ang hinahanap naman natin ngayon is IL. So, meron ditong IL. Yan. Nandito ang IL. So, ang hanapin natin ngayon is find the current IL passes through the 8 ohms resistor in the given network using the superposition theorem. So, ito yung maging problem natin. So, now, we consider 28 voltage source is present in the network. So, we need to remove the current source by open circuit terminals. As here, we consider the current source as an ideal current source. So, we need not connect the internal resistance. We need to open this current source. So, magiging ganito ang itsura niya. So, ngayon, hahanapin natin ng IL1. IL1. Pass through 8 ohms resistors. It gives the effect only of one voltage source. Due to open circuits of a current source, no current pass through the 10 ohms resistor. So, the network consider one only loop. So, ngayon, gagamitin natin ang KVL. So, magka-KVL tayo dito. A. Kukonsider natin itong B, C, and D. So, magluloop tayo to the loop A, B, C, D, A. Magluloop tayo dito. Ngayon, gagawin na natin ang KVL to the loop A, B, C, D, A. So, ngayon, let's start. 28 is equal to, we have 6 IL1 plus 8 IL1. So, 28 is equal to 6 plus 8 is equal to 14 IL1. So, divide na natin to 14 para makuha na natin ang IL1. 28 divided by 14 is 2 ampere is equal to ILI. Kaya siya A kasi current ito. So, nakuha na natin ang IL1. So, lalagyan na natin dito ang 2A. Yan, ito na yung IL1 natin. Now, we repeat the same procedure for the current source. In this condition, we remove the voltage source by shorting circuit. Ngayon, buburahin ko na to. Ngayon, gagawin ulit, ibabalik natin ang current, which is 28 ampere. So, now, we need to short this one. So, magiging short na ang ating voltage. Yan. Magiging ganyan na ang figure niya. So, we have to consider 2 loops. This is 1 loop and this is 2 loops. And find the current IL2. Now, apply naman ulit natin ang KVL. KVL to loop 1. Loop 1. So, ang direction natin is paganito. Paganyan ang direction natin. So, let's start. In loop 1, we have 6 I1, current 1, plus 8 I1 minus 8 I2 is equal to 0. So, pagsamahin natin ang I1, current 1. So, 6 plus 8 is 14 I1 minus 8 I2 is equal to 0. Ngayon, hahanapin muna natin ang I2. The current passes through the loop 2 is calculated from the current source. And it will be, so, ang I2 natin is equal to 28 ampere. So, iaano na natin? Ililipat na natin ang 28 ampere to this one. So, magiging ganito na siya. 14 I1 minus 8 times this I2, gawin na natin 28 is equal to 0. So, yan. So now, 14 I1 is 8 times 28 is 224 is equal to 0. Ngayon, didivide na natin ang 14 dito. Ay, no! Kulang. Mali pa pala. Ililipat natin ang 224 dito sa kabila. So, magiging ganito na siya. 14 I1 is equal to 224. So, now, i-divide natin both 14 dito. 14 I1 is equal to 224 divided by 14 divided by 14. So, I1 is equal to 16 ampere. So, nakuha na natin ang I1. So, lalagay natin dito ang I1 is equal to 16 ampere. Ngayon, ang hinahanap natin is IL. So, now, the 8 ohms resistors branch is common in both loops. So, we need to find the resultant current IL2 passes through the 8 ohms resistor. So, palitin lang natin tong 28 ampere. So, IL2, hanapin daw natin ang IL2 is equal to, ito magiging formula, I1 minus I2. So, IL2 is equal to, ang I1 natin is 16. 16 minus, ang I2 natin kanina is 28. 28. So, IL2 is equal to, ilagay natin dito ang I2 natin is 28 ampere. So, IL2 is equal to 16 minus 28 is negative 12 ampere. So, ito ang IL2. Ngayon, nakuha na natin ang IL2. Ngayon, kasi nakuha na natin ang IL1 at IL2, makukuha na natin ang IL. So, ilalagay ko dito ang IL2 is equal to negative 12 ampere. So, buburahin ko na ito. Ngayon, pasensya na kasi madumi. Ngayon, kukunin na natin ang IL. Ngayon, nakuha na natin ang IL1 at IL2. Ngayon, kukunin naman na natin ang IL. So, this is the formula of IL. IL1 plus IL2. So, IL is equal to, ang IL1 natin is 2 plus IL2 natin is negative 12. So, negative 12. So, IL is equal to 2 plus negative 12 is negative 10 ampere. So, this is the final answer. Ngayon, ang current IL natin through passes the 8 ohms resistor is negative 10 ampere. So, ang IL natin is negative 10 ampere.